Start? Okay, so today I'm going to talk about the unit circle. The unit circle. So what is the unit circle? Unit circle is basically a circle with radius of 1. Radius of 1. And why is it so important? It's very important because it's very easy. It helps us find the sine of some degree and cos of some degree easily. And today I'm going to teach about how you can remember the unit circle by heart. You don't have to remember the numbers. You'll be able to draw the unit circle from your head and remember it by heart. So let's see how it goes. So we have our unit circle over here, and since the radius is 1, there will be 0.01. This is x, this is y. There will be 1, 0, minus 1, 0, and 0, minus 1. And here's our circle. Look at our circle, how beautiful it is. This is a circle. I know it doesn't look like a circle, but this is a circle. Alright? Okay, so let's start with our degree. So we'll start with 30 degrees, alright? 30 degrees. 30 degrees. So 30 degrees, let's say 30 degrees is basically pi over 6. If we convert it to radian. And then we add another 30 degree here. This is 60 degrees. 60 degrees. 2 pi over 6. So you see here, pi over 6, 2 pi over 6, and you add another 30 degree, which is 90 degree over here. 90 degree. And it will be 3 pi over 6. 3 pi over 6. And then you add another 30 degree here, which will be 120 degrees. And it's going to be 4 pi over 6. And then you add another 30 degrees, here is 150 degrees, which is going to be 5 pi over 6. And we're going to add another 30 degrees, 180 degrees, 6 pi over 6. 6 pi over 6. Add another 30 degrees, which is going to be 210 degrees, which is 7 pi over 6. It's getting a bit messy here, so. Add another 30 degrees, it's going to be 240 degrees. And it's going to be 8 pi over 6. And then we're going to add another 30 degrees, it's going to be what? 270 degrees, right? 240, it is 240. And it's going to be 270 degrees. 9 pi over 6. And then 300 degrees. Let's erase this. 300 degrees, which is 10 pi over 6. And then 330 degrees. 11 pi over 6. And we'll go back here to 360 degrees. Okay? 360 degrees. So we can simplify 2 pi over 6. So 2 pi over 6 will become pi over 3. And 3 pi over 6 will become pi over 2. You guys follow me? And 4 pi over 6 will become 2 pi over 3. And 6 pi over 6 will become pi. This pi. 7 pi over 6, you can simplify that. 8 pi over 6 will become 4 pi over 3. And 9 pi over 6 will become 3 pi over 2. And 10 pi over 6 will become 5 pi over 3. Okay? So, we have simplified these. Now let's take a look at another one. We're going to add 45 degrees using red. So this is going to be 45 degrees. At 45 degrees to radian will be pi over 4. Pi over 4, 2 pi over 4, which is pi over 2. And then we're going to have 135 degrees. Pi over 4, 2 pi over 4, 3 pi over 4. 3 pi over 4. 4 pi over 4, which is pi. And then we're going to have 5 pi over 4. 5 pi over 4, which is 125 degrees. Then we're going to have 6 pi over 4, which is 3 pi over 2. And then we're going to have 7 pi over 4. 7 pi over 4. 7 pi over 4 is 350 Okay? So basically we know how to label the degrees here. They're both in radians and in regular degrees. Now, let's look at the coordinates. For unit circle, the x coordinate is going to be cos. And for y, it's going to be sine. Alright? So, let's label it. First of all, everything will be, the 2 will be the denominator for everything, for both x and y. 2 will be the denominator, as you see here. So this is how you do it. You start with having 2 as the denominator, and then you put 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Alright? 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Then you square root everything. You square root all the numerator. So you square root 1. Square root of 1 is basically just 1. You square root of 3, square root of 2, square root of 2, square root of 3. Square root of 1 is just 1 again. Okay? So here we see the relationship. If the 3 is the denominator, the numerator is going to be 1. And if 4 is the denominator, it's going to be square root of 2 on the numerator. And if the denominator is 6 for the degree, we're going to have square root of 3 over here. So 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Alright? So let's label the other ones here. Here is going to be what? This is 11 pi over 6, right? 11 pi over 6. So 11 pi over 6 will have square root of 3 over 2. And then the denominator here is 4, so it's going to be square root of 2 over 2. And here the denominator is 3, so we're going to have 1 over 2. So here 3, 2, 1. And then 1, 2, 3. But since here the x is positive, that's right, so the x is going to be positive, but the y will be negative since it's over here. It's in quadrant 4. In quadrant 4, the x is going to be positive and the y is going to be negative. So we have to put negative over here. So we're done for this section. And let's see the other one. 2 pi over 3 is going to be 1 over 2. See here? 1. 3 pi over 4 is going to be square root of 2. Over 2. Here. 5 pi over 6 is going to be square root of 3. 2, 2, 1. That's right. And this is quadrant 2. Quadrant 2, the x is going to be negative. So you put negative over here. So you see here, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. And then you square root all the numerators. Alright? Okay, let's take a look at this one. 7 pi over 6. 7 pi over 6 is going to be 3. 3 is going to be on top, right? And then you square root it. 4 is going to be what? Square root of 2 over 2. And the 3 is the denominator, so it's going to be 1 over 2. So this is 3, 2, 1. So this is going to be 1, 2, 3. Square root, square root. And this is quadrant 3. So quadrant 3, both x and y are negative. So you don't forget to put the negative sign. Alright? So here we have our unit circle. You can do this by heart. You can do this by heart. If I say what is the cos of pi over 6? So the cos of pi over 6, by looking at the unit circle, the cos of pi over 6 is going to be square root of 3 over 2. If we say what is the sine pi over 3, sine pi over 3, looking at the unit circle, sine pi over 3 is going to be square root of 3 over 2. Okay, so cos is going to be x and sine is going to be y. So let's say if what is cos 2 over 3? Cos 2 pi over 3. Cos 2 pi over 3. Cos 2 pi over 3, by looking at the unit circle, is going to be negative 1 over 2. And you can do this for these degrees. And basically, this is the unit circle. Thank you.